$1.78. There's a laundrette. And yeah, it smells like laundry detergent in here. They have a sink, a deep sink, and garbage cans, another sink. So from the door, there is the laundry room controller. Here, this is the directions. Go to an empty machine, load your laundry, close the door. Machine number, return here. Oh, enter the machine number on the keypad, so that was the number. And then enter arrow, tab your sale and sign card on the logo. It's one of those tap and go things. Press enter, go to selected machine, choose cycle, and press start. Nice. There's a telephone in here. And then the price, the soaps are $1.50. Surf Sparkling Ocean, all, or, and then Snuggle. Cool. And the machines are over here. How much do they cost? Yeah, do they say?
$3 for the dryer.
$3 for the dryer.
$3 for the dryer.
How much for a washer?
$3 for the washer.
$3 each. So $3 for a dryer, $3 for a washer. And there's a ironing station. So that works. That's not bad.
Oh, you can do it.
I wanted to do laundry, you could do it. And I think they have
$75 for an extra bag.
That's right. And then is that how much it costs?
For an extra
For
bag.
a bag of laundry to do?
No, to bring a bag out of there.
Oh, that's true. Yeah. So if you wanted to minimize your, yeah, if you get charged per bag. How much is it for them to launder a bag? They have little small bags.
Yeah.
I think it's like $20 for a little small bag. So you can barely, yeah, you can barely fit anything in there. Unless you're a platinum and then you get a bag free. What floors were the laundry in? So on the Horizon,
We're on 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
cool. And we just looked at the 9th one. The 9th
All
one.
in mid.
Yep, all in the mid. Now this is an example. So two washers and 2 dryers. Here you go.